Student, today we shall be studying our second part of summary writing. So in summary writing, generally there are some do's and don'ts. So yesterday we have discussed the guideline, what does summary writing actually mean, and what you have to do in summary writing. Okay, and what you have not to do in summary writing is that you should not include your own idea, don't add your own point, don't give your own example. Okay, be stick to the pattern. And for example, quotation, examples, so all these things should be avoided. So whatever is given in the passage, that you should keep in your mind before drafting the summary. Okay, so this question is for 4 marks, and question will be asked to you, very simple. Read the passage and write its summary. Suggest a suitable title. Title must always come at the top. Suitable title I have written there. Okay, first let us try to understand the passage. What is the passage about? The passage is about that communication is a part of our everyday life. Okay, communication is the part of our everyday life. We greet one another, smile or frown depending on our moods. Okay, so we human beings, we smile or frown. Okay, it depends on our mood, and communication is a part of all of us. Okay, means human being, they communicate, and birds and animals, they also having their own language, they also communicate. Animals too communicate, much to our surprise. Just like us, interactions among animals can be both verbal and non-verbal. Singing is one way in which animals can interact with one another. So we have seen that there are some kinds of birds, they are singing, and some birds they are giving intimation whenever any danger come in the forest. Take the example of monkey. Whenever any dangers comes in the forest, so they started shouting. Okay, different noise they create. So that is the means that they are communicating, and they are making alert to their all other fellows, who companions. Okay, so in the forest, so this thing is very common. Singing is one way in which animals can interact. By singing, they interact with one another, they attract them to their mates. Male blackbirds often use their melodious song to catch the attention of the females. Male blackbirds, okay, that male birds creates the noise, they create the song so as to attract the female one. Okay, in the forest. With the melodious song, catch the attention. These songs are usually rich in notes, variation. These songs are variation encoding various kinds of messages. Songs are also used to warn and keep off other blackbirds from their territory, usually a place where they dwell and reproduce. So in the first paragraph, the writer is talking about the singing of birds. They were singing. They sing a song so as to attract the mate, their mate. Okay, female one. Okay, first paragraph is about singing birds. They used to attract their female one. Okay, and they create the noise so as to attract the female one. And male blackbirds, they often create they often create this song so as to they compose this song, and they makes a noise so as to attack the female one. So first one. Then second is one. Large mammals in the ocean sing too. Large mammal, obviously what? Dolphin, whales, okay, fishes. Large mammals in the ocean and to adventurous sailors. And in this way, the sailors who were crossing the ocean, so for them it is very dangerous. Whales and sharks, sometimes they attack, and they may become the victim of these mammals. Okay, enormous whales groan and grunt whenever any ship comes. At that time, we might have seen in the Discovery Channel what they are doing. They are groaning, they are creating the noise under the water, and they grunt sometime. Why? Because they don't want the human intervention in the ocean. while smaller dolphins and porpoises produce pings, whistles and clicks. These mammals, they create different sounds under the water so as to make the alert to their companions who are living under the water in the ocean. They make a different noise, whistle sound, they create clicks. So these sounds are surprisingly received by other mates. Okay, when they create this sound, at that time what happened, sound, at that time their mates, they become very active, they become alert. So wherever any dangers come, at that time these mammals, they makes their counterparts, their colleagues, alert in the under the ocean as far as several hundred kilometers away. So their voice is so powerful, 100 kilometers from air, from 100 kilometers away, from 100 kilometers away, if they are but they can hear their noise, and they comes to know whether any what type of signal they have given, whether they are facing any dangers or what. In this way they becomes very much alert. So the first paragraph is about singing birds, and second is about mammal, talking about whales, dolphin. Okay, so these two paragraph we have discussed. In the two paragraph, now you have to, what you have to do, you have to do the concisions means what, you have to cut off unnecessary phrases or clauses in this paragraph. Okay, now come to the second part. First, after reading it, we come to know the passage is talking about singing birds and mammal. Give a title at the top. I have written here, singing birds and mammal. So first sentence, what was our first sentence? Communication is a part of everyday life. So make clear, we communicate with one another in different ways. So see the difference. Sentence number one, communication is a part of our everyday life. So what I have done, I have altered it by writing this. I have changed the structure. We communicate with one another in different ways. Okay, alteration, first one. Similarly, likewise, animals also communicate. Animals also, we human beings communicate. Similarly, likewise, these animals also having their language. Okay, they are having their own tone, and they also communicate. They sing and interact with others of their kind. They sing and interact with the singing, shouting, making noise. They are having interaction, communication, chatting with their counterparts. Then next, third sentence, just like us, interaction. So how it has changed? Just pay attention here. With others of their kind. Male blackbird use their sweet voice to catch the attention of females. So give the alteration. Here, singing is one way in which animals are interact with one another. So male blackbird often use their melodious song to catch the attention of the females. So it is a very lengthy. So cut short the this clause and make it simple sentence. So that is a substitute of sentence number third. Male blackbird use their sweet voice to catch the attention of females. These songs vary in notes and thus convey different messages. See, important vary means change. In notes, the song also warn other blackbirds off from the area, like birds, sea mammal. So here see cohesive device, like birds, this word, like birds. Sea mammals also sing. Big whales groan and grunt. Dolphin and porpoises make pings, whistle and click. These sounds reach their mates who are kilometers away. So these are the this passage. This is the complete passage. So what I have done, I have cut short the additional phrases and clauses, and main point, key words should come in your summary. So what I have done, I have cut short the additional clauses, and in this way main point what I have done, I have taken from here and I have given the substitute word. Okay, and in this way you have to write it. It is for 4 marks coming in the board exam. So these are known as summary writing. In summary writing, you should not include your own point. Don't write essay, okay, or don't give copy paste as it is. So do some alteration. Whatever example is given by the author, that you should follow. Don't give your own. Otherwise, what will happen? It will give very negative message about you. So in summary writing, you should avoid. Do not include your own point, okay, and do not exclude the key points which is given by the writer in the passage. These things should be keep in your mind before writing the summary, and summary should be short, okay. Here you have to cut short the additional clauses and phrases, and your title must come at the top. Most of the students, they are writing title at the end, downside. No, title should come in. For example, in movie picture, what we are seeing, title comes first, okay, then only movie start. Similarly, here in the summary writing, your title must be at the top, and then you have to focus on your main point, okay, and don't give the as it is, okay. Don't give avoid plagiarism. Plagiarism means what? Copy of other writers work of art. What we are doing? We are doing only copy of the passage, okay. So this thing should be avoided by you. So dear student, today we have completed our second part. In second part, we have discussed the passage, how we are going to write it in the exam point of view. So these are the summary of this passage. So dear student, if you are having any doubt regarding this topic, then you please give your comment on our comment box section of the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching for this video. Thank you very much.